First up, the seam ripper. It's small but crucial for fixing mistakes quickly and cleanly, saving your fabric from damage. Pins and pin cushions are next. They hold your fabric in place, making cutting and sewing more accurate. Magnetic pin holders are also a great modern alternative. Quality fabric scissors are a must-have. Keep them sharp and reserved for fabric only. For detailed work, embroidery scissors are perfect for precise cuts. A flexible measuring tape is essential for accurate measurements, and it's easy to store and use. Marking tools, like fabric chalk or disappearing ink pens, help you trace patterns and make temporary marks that come off easily. Having a variety of sewing needles for different fabrics is important, including both hand sewing and machine needles. A thimble protects your fingers during hand sewing, especially with tough fabrics. Wonder clips are excellent for holding thick layers of fabric without damage, making them great for quilting or heavy fabrics. A seam gauge helps measure small areas and hems accurately, ensuring your project turns out perfect. Finally, a needle threader makes threading your needle quick and easy, saving you time and frustration.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. As a bonus, you also get 700 SEO keywords for sewing blocks, which you can use when growing your sewing block, and 400 social media post ideas for sewers for social media growth. Whole pack is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.